Natalie Berth here, doing a quick profile review for Dawn. Dawn is another word person. She is a journalist, former journalist, and also teaches at or taught at Delaware and MIT. A couple of thoughts right off the bat. Obviously, we want the profile picture to be just the headshot, not half the body. And this is a lost opportunity where she could either highlight what she does, highlight her approach to words or, crafting, influencing next mind, something about how we need words to be able to properly express, right, what we're trying to do. Clearly, something I'm struggling with while I'm writing this up. I would like to see something that's a little bit just as a personal stylistic. I prefer pipes, the up and down line rather than the slash, because it kind of means something a little bit different. And I would also like her to do something that is a little bit more personal on this because of what she does. Now, this was interesting in her about section. She talks a lot about this story, by the way, if you haven't read it, is hysterical, where the cats took over the Vitamix box. That was very funny. So, but these stories should be listed under the published section. She does not use the published section. She might have added that before the published section was available or that, wasn't really well known. But all of these articles that she's written absolutely should be listed in the published section so that people can just click through and go and see them right away without having to copy and paste articles into the uh, uh, banner. Okay. I would also like to, just as a stylistic point of view, make sure we get those gray boxes. This just tells me that for some reason it's not, it didn't connect. So we want to make sure those things are connected. And this would, by moving this to a different section, uh, we also open up the opportunity to talk more about what she's doing and what she wants to do, right? The things that she's really great at and so on. She has her own web page that she says she's terrible about keeping it updated, but you can also list that here, right? Check out my work here. Check out my what's it called? Mud rack here, which would be list of articles that she's posted or something like that. That can all be listed there as well. There's a lot of great opportunity with this profile and with the information that's in there. A lot of this is going to be rearranging and just getting those links in there. All right. Thank you to Dawn for letting me review her profile.